running here, I think that's enough. And show the pictures. So, yes.
So I am a little bit but anyway. So my name is Rostislav and he's my teammate Janne and Mahmoud. Yes, our friend. So idea was to create an application inside the defined theme of this CodeCamp to use music as a part of the computer application. We thought, what can we do? And we came with the idea that we can make a very simple application that will help people that are just started to play guitar to learn chords, because I think sometimes it's maybe very hard to participate in the courses, or musical courses, without no first knowledge of the playing guitars. So this was our idea to create. There were some tasks, not some tasks, but there were some. Yes, there were some tasks we tried to solve. First of all, we will think about the state of the user as he is playing guitar. Of course, one hand is always holding the frets of the guitar. So and with the other hands, he is playing with the strings. So only one hand will be used, and maybe only one finger thumb will be used to navigate on interfaces. So we will think about that, and I think we came with a very nice solution. We will show what we have done in the demonstration of our application that is called Corder, yes.
Okay, so, well, let's think for me example. If I'm sitting here, I have my guitar here, and somewhere I have the pointer, maybe. Let's think this as a pick. This could be as a pick, well, pretty big one. Anyway, so the first thing I will see is something like this. A screen which gives me all the basic chords. So I'm playing a song, or I want to learn a song which has hard chords like A major, which is not very hard, but it has A major. I don't know what that is. I don't know how to play it. So I have to choose A major. And if you listen closely, I think I have A major. Well, A minor, almost the same. Yeah. So it gives me picture of how my fingers should be on the frets. So I have my number 1 means my index finger, right? Well, first finger, and number 2 for the middle finger, and so on, number 3. Zeros mean that you play those strings also, but you don't put your fingers on the strings. They are open strings. And X means you don't play that string. So if I want to have that A minor, again, I hear the chord, then I hear each string alone, and then I hear again the chord. So listen closely. Yeah. So that's how it goes. And it's pretty easy. I can just click, go back, change C major, for example, and it plays me C major. This is pretty. Actually, we had more ideas about the system, but we found out we don't have enough time. So we decided we are going to go for the user interfaces and user experience. And we had some different models for the view, and some of you maybe saw them, and I did some questionnaires, and we tested this, which picture you liked most and like that. And this is one example of the first pictures we had. This was pretty basic, and you gave us good ideas. There were other ones, but this one is the final version we thought is the best. It had the numbers, you can see the strings pretty good, and it looks like a neck of a guitar. And you can see what chord is. It's C major. And
is it a standalone application?
Yeah, it is. But actually we were thinking of making some kind of a web thing, but after all we ended up at the standalone because of time. And we don't have so much knowledge of the...
Yeah, you have pretty, let's say, more of those ideas what to do. You said that this was the first 12 hours.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay, we had our ideas, I can say them. First 12 hours was to get this working. The next 12 hours we were going to make a quiz so that it gives me just a picture and asks me, what is this chord? And I have to guess, is it A major, C major, whatever. And if I get enough correct, I get some kind of short clip or song or a few notes, so I can start learning those things, practicing for a song with the chords I know. But actually we had problems because it took almost 5 hours to get actually even Python running. So, and that's why I used Python, not C++, but we had some problems at first with the machine, so we ran out of time.
Okay, thank you.